In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Loom desktop app. By the end, you'll have Loom running in its own window like a native application, without the clutter of browser tabs. We're going to do this directly from the official Loom website using your web browser's built-in install option. First, open your preferred Chromium-based browser, like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Now head to the official Loom website by typing the address into your browser's address bar. Take a quick moment to make sure you're on the legitimate site before proceeding. You don't need to log in just to install, but being on the correct page ensures the right option appears. With the Loom site open, look to the top right corner of your browser window for the three-dot menu. This is the main menu that controls browser actions and tools. Click it to open the full list. If you don't see the menu, try maximizing your window or updating your browser to the latest version. Inside that menu, move your mouse to the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. In some browsers, this area may be grouped slightly differently, but you're looking for the part of the menu that contains sharing and saving tools. Hovering over it will expand additional options. This is where the browser exposes features for turning a website into an app-like experience. Next, click Install Page as App. Depending on your browser and version, you might see wording like Install this site as an app or even Install Loom. If your browser prompts you to confirm, that's expected. Go ahead and approve the install. Within a moment, your computer will create a standalone Loom window that behaves like a desktop app, separate from your regular browser tabs. Once installed, the app window should open automatically. You'll notice it has a cleaner, distraction-free interface without the typical browser address bar. Behind the scenes, your system also adds a shortcut so you can find Loom from your applications list or system search the next time you want to open it quickly. If you don't see the install page as app option, make sure you're on the official Loom site and try refreshing the page. It can also help to update your browser. In some cases, you'll notice a small install icon in the address bar. That's another place browsers surface the same feature. That's all it takes. You've successfully installed the Loom desktop app through your browser, giving you faster access and a focused workspace anytime you need to record or share.